Hello everyone, I'm Rosanna, Project Manager at BroadMesse International. BroadMesse is an exhibition company that has been providing an excellent service to its customers for 20 years. Today, I would like to welcome you at our stand at Busworld in Brussels. So please have a look with us to the stand we built for the client. Today, we also assist our clients in organizing their press conference and their new product launch event. Now, let me introduce you the hostess we have at our booth today. They can speak several languages like Chinese, English, French, and German.